Do you carry your phone or laptop with you at all times? Are you tired of scrolling through social media with nothing to earn from it? In today's video, now is the moment for you to make money online simply by viewing videos, which is a fun activity. I mean, who doesn't want to get compensated for their efforts? You might want to take a look at these people who are paid in real time for each video that they watch. What's even more astonishing is that it doesn't require any special abilities. This is something that everyone can do. However, as a disclaimer, this is not a deal for a full-time job, so consider it a side hustle instead. Now, before you view the video, keep in mind that this isn't your typical approach of making money by watching videos. It's a little odd, and you'll need to observe every second of this video to properly set things up. If you just jump ahead, you won't know what you need to do and it won't help you. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, now the very first thing that you're required to do is go on to YouTube, and it is on YouTube that you'll be able to be compensated for watching videos. However, before we get to that, you must first sign in to youtube.com and I'll tell you how to do that. So basically all you need to do is go to the upper right corner of the page and click sign in. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address and your password in order to log in. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to make one. To do so, go to this page and click on create account. On the following page, fill in your entire name in these two boxes, as well as your completely new email address right below. Finally, you must type and retype your password in these two boxes as confirmation. Finally, click next to continue. You'll be required to submit a few more details before being able to sign up. The Explore button will appear once you log into your YouTube account on the left-hand side of the page. Now, you want to click on it on the next page where you'll have to choose a game, and what this will do now is show you the videos in the gaming specialty that are performing really well and receiving a large number of views, and it's from these videos that they make loads of money online. The next step is for you to choose one of these games. It doesn't really matter which one you choose as long as it is liked by many and is popular, and because the gaming industry is so vast and popular, you can't really go wrong with any game you choose. Now, you'll be able to find certain videos when you select any of those games, and they're all receiving a lot of views, which are increasing through time. Now, you should exit this page and go to the second website that we'll be using today to get paid. The second website that I'm about to show you is called 7r6.com. This website is a place where you may get money by shortening the URLs of specific videos. Now, as you can see, the very first thing that is asked of you is for you to first set up an account. Then, shorten the link to any website and you'll be compensated through it. It is for this reason that they will pay you to shorten links. When you shorten the link to any website, not only YouTube video link when someone clicks on it, they will first be sent to the external page where they'll see ads, and then they will be redirected to the target site. In this approach, the website generates revenue via advertising, which is also how YouTube generates revenue, and the ad money is split between them and the person who just shortened the link on this platform. This is what you'll do when you first get on the site, and as you know, you must first register an account before you can be compensated. To do so, go to the upper right corner of the page and click the sign up button. This will then take you to the screen where you'll need to enter your username, email address, and password to sign up. After that, mark this box and lastly, click the register button below to complete the said process. This is how things will look like when you log into your newly created account. Also, you can check out your total number of views earnings and referral earnings over here, as well as your average CPM. To shorten the link, simply click on New Shortened Link right here and paste it into this box. Finally, to complete the procedure, click on Shorten Link below. once you've earned a good amount of money from these shortened links, you can withdraw your money by clicking on the withdraw icon to the left. After you've created an account, all you have to do is shorten the links to earn money, and the YouTube videos are the ones that we'll want to shorten. Now, even though you can copy and shorten links from any of these videos, I'll share with you a pro tip for earning more profit. It is important that you put emphasis on live videos, and I assure you that you will see better results and gain more profit. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating, "I will make money today," we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, going back to live videos, simply click on live here to have YouTube only show you live videos. That's all there's to it. Now, the next step is to open up any one of them, such as this one, and to discover the video's URL. Simply click on share over here, and you'll be able to copy the link. Now, return to this platform and paste it in this box. Then, click on shorten below to complete the process. And to make it really efficient, you'll want to redo what I've shown you for at least 3 videos. Just remember that you will be able to earn more money if you shorten as many links to various videos as possible. And now that you've shortened different links to different videos, it's time to put them all together. Your traffic source is the only thing that's missing. Now, you must get people to click on your link in order to be compensated, so how can you do this? Now, don't worry, I'm going to share 2 significant traffic sources with you. The first is steamcommunity.com, a forum where people talk about things that are related to gaming. Through Steam, thousands of postings about multiple games may be found here, and the site receives millions of monthly visitors. Because we want to share shortened links to YouTube gaming videos, these 2 aspects make it the ideal traffic source for us. The first thing you'll need to do on this website is, again, to create an account. All you have to do now is create a post on this site where you will share your shortened links to start getting clicks. With all of that said, imagine how easy it is to earn online. You can just wait there patiently as you receive hundreds and thousands of clicks from gamers and people all over the internet. Apart from Steam, you can also share your shortened URLs by using this website called mood.us. You can just do the same thing that you did earlier with Steam, just follow all the steps that I just shared with you, and boom, you'll be amazed by the amount of traffic that's about to go your way. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.